What's up, Elco family? Michigan blessed us with some good weather this week, so you know I had to take the Elco out, but I didn't take it out to the roads. And by taking it out, I meant I really just took it in the driveway and spun the tires a couple times. Can you blame me though? It looked good in the snow. After getting the videos I wanted, unfortunately, this was really short-lived because we had some bad weather coming again. So back to the garage we go.
You can do it!
It felt way too good to get it out of the garage. But after that, ran over to my sister's house because my nephew needed that merch, baby. Go get yours. Links in the bio.
The next day.
Hell yeah, Elco family. We just got some cool shit in. Let's open it up. And this right here is why I was telling you guys to just hang on a little bit longer and we'll get some things going. Oh, okay. Let's get this bad boy out of there. Wow. Now that's a good looking carburetor. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, carburetor looks bomb. Let's see what this intake is gonna look like. Couple stickers, another little gasket, the other gaskets, and hell yeah, there's the big baby. Let's just cut her open. Yeah, that's gonna look fire. Yeah, that's definitely gonna look bomb later. But I didn't stop there. Went to the grocery store on the way home and found these. They had them 2 for $2. Couldn't pass them up. All right. It always pays to know somebody. They're not even open yet, and I'm inside the auction. Let's go check out this truck that I'm trying to get this week instead of going on Facebook. Might be a good deal out here. Honestly. Oh shit, it don't look too bad. Damn. What's going on, Elco family? It's finally warm out in Michigan. I say warm, it's 38 degrees. That's warm. And yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know I got a couple parts in. But today, putting one of them on. That bad boy right there. Intakes later. It's part of a master plan. It's just getting stockpiled. You'll see all that in the upcoming weeks. So let's get this Holly on there today. First things first. Get a bunch of pictures of everything. Gotta make sure I know where everything goes back to. I got those, so let's start taking all these off of here.
Put the cheat code in. I brought my homie back to the game. I've done that, I signed for the blame. Name on the side of the plane, jets food, that.
So far, so good. Old shitty Edelbrock is off of there. Let's clean it up and get that Holly put on. Didn't order new studs for the carb, so paint it is.
Living as any other grown kid would do. Remembering being 10, looking at OGs roll down the street, wishing I was them. I superseded their previous genius.
So far, so good. That looks fire, dude. Super excited about that. It won't be running today, unfortunately, though. It only won't be running today strictly because, where is it at? This fuel filter does not fit on the new setup, so gonna get another fuel filter and the little adapter, and hopefully in the next day to 2 days, unless I order it online, it'll be here and we can start tuning this new car. All right, second problem. This little bracket here no longer fits on here because of the second bowl, so I'm gonna have to go through, grind that down pretty damn close to there. I hope it still hangs on. I think it'll be fine though. I low-key think it's hilarious because there's just always some random steps that pop up in the middle of doing something else. Oh, so very far from perfect, but looks 1,000 times better. This should just sit in there like that. Bring this bad boy back here. There we go. Get it snug down here, and might be able to start the car up here in a minute.
No, you're not. Stop.
Woo! Another beautiful Michigan day. So you know what that means. We're getting that fucking carb going today, baby. Running around trying to go get those parts for the carb today. And first stop, O'Reilly's didn't have the shit I needed, so we're going to the next town over because I'm getting that shit today.
No, you ain't.
Never fails. Went to the other O'Reilly's. Spent like 20 minutes in there trying to find the part, even with the guys in the back. They don't have it either. So, off to the hardware store. Let's hope I can make something happen out of this. It should not be this hard for one little fucking adapter. Because I don't want to buy a different fuel filter. I want the one I want, and it's being a pain without it. So, I'll figure it out though. Let's go to Ace real quick. I know you're laughing at my pain right now, but just go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for me. Do both of them. Lets me know y'all are fucking with the shit I'm putting out. Go do it. All right, back to the video. All right, it's getting a little absurd. Spent an hour with the people at Aces. Still can't find shit to go on this. And I don't want to buy another filter right now. I already spent a lot of money. So, going to one more store for the day. If I don't find it today, I'm just going to have to wait for the shit to come in online. It is what it is. Kind of sucks. Because it's nice out. I want to hear the Elco run today, damn it. For the sake of wanting to enjoy the rest of my day, because it's nice out, I went with this bullshit. A little $5 filter and some extra hose just to make it work today. I need to hear it. We're going to go make it work. And yeah, the new stuff will be in the mail in the next few days, and I'll switch it over. It won't be that bad. All right. I think I'm set up to go. Not 100% sure. Like 80% sure, and shook as hell to start this fucking thing. All right, here goes the test. Let's see if we can get some fuel to the carburetor. Oh, I'm so scared. All right, we got fuel in the first bowl. Or not the bowl, but the filter.
Something like.
Oh! Hold up. Wait a minute.
Lord! Yep, that's gas pouring on the floor. My dumb ass was thinking it was coolant. Yeah, that didn't sound good. Whatever that just was. Oh, shit. Alright, where are we leaking? Well, good thing it stopped, because major fuel leak. Alright, for some reason I was yapping about nothing here. Didn't tighten that fitting enough, and that was the reason it was leaking. Quick fix. I'll do that real fast, and we might be able to hop right back into starting this thing up. All right, I was on the phone, so I kind of missed it, but she was alive. She was actually fully fucking alive. I haven't tuned anything yet. I haven't messed with it. She's just straight out of the box. Don't sound too bad straight out of the box, either. All right, I'll have some more fun with that in the next day or so, but it's getting cold out here, so I'm gonna go inside. Mission accomplished today. As long as there's no more fuel leaks and everything's looking good, I'm a happy camper. I'm very happy with that. It felt like it's already breathing way better than with that crappy Edelbrock. So let's go, baby. Yeah. Well, just ran into another problem. This collar for this 1406 Edelbrock shit is way too small to put on the Holly. So that means nothing through the hood, and it looks stupid as f. So back to the internet I go. I'm gonna go get a little adapter so that everything still fits. I already ordered the other parts I'm waiting on to get everything looking good. Now we wait. Hurry up and wait. So currently I'm trying to get the float level right in the bowl. Pretty easy.
You sure about that? You sure about that?
Just gotta turn that nut and screw that screw on the top, if I can get it to focus, down some more, get the level down to just about below halfway, if not towards the bottom of that window, and then repeat it back over here. It's kind of boring though, so yeah, I'll be back in a second. Let's see if she'll get fired up now. Key might help though. Right up there with the key. Well, clearly that didn't do it, because now she doesn't even want to stay on. And I'm leaking. I'm leaking somewhere. Why is it leaking? Why is it leaking? Not supposed to be leaking. Well, it sucks because I had it going had it going the other day. Try to fire it up one more time, see if she runs. Whoa. Absolutely terrible. I actually don't know what the I'm doing wrong. And that's kind of annoying. And every single time I get hung up or don't know what to do, go to YouTube. YouTube University has got me out of every situation. I figured out what I was doing.
Slightly on the adjusting nut that's under it. This will break.
All right, we're good. She's alive again. Got worried for a second. Front bowl is looking perfect. Back bowl still needs some work, but I'm gonna let her warm up and start messing with some other adjustments. Don't worry, I got choke cable coming for right there. Alright, now I'm playing around with that idle mixture. Trying to figure out where she sounds good. I kind of like it right there already though. Should have pulled it out. I might die in here with this exhaust leak. After at least getting the Elco successfully running again, I hung up these lights in the garage. It's gonna be a chill ass spot for the summer now. Then I went next door to help my neighbor out who's giving me the Ford mower you see right there. Went through and cleared a path so we can get the mower out later this week. But I brought the mower deck over so we can get it cleaned up right now. All right, so far so good. Super cleaned up, looks much better than it did 35 minutes ago or so. And yeah, later this week, I'll get the mower over here. We'll get that cleaned up and start figuring out what's wrong with the mower so we can get it mowing my lawn, hopefully by my birthday. Just like that, another week down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos dropping every week. Daily posts on Instagram and TikTok. And drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see done to the El Camino. Peace.